Ayo, baby, what's the word? One more. Ayo, baby, what's the word? All right, Lawichal. Hey, let's go. Lawichal. Kan sabay Lawichal.
Ayo, baby, what's the word? Can you tell me what to do? Cause I'm trying to be your man, I want you to be my boo. I've been thinking about you all day long, I hope you do it too. Don't know how to make a move, cause you came right off the blue. Girl, you're so fine, just come be mine, You can hit my line, call me anytime, You can call me anytime and I'ma be right there for you. All them haters, they be hating, baby, we're just way too cool. True, bro, my girl 10 out of 10, but for now I'm not her man. I'ma show you that I can, I thank the Lord I say amen. Bro, my girl 10 out of 10, but for now I'm not her man. I'ma show you that I can, I thank the Lord I say amen.
Hold on, let's go with Foo Foo, eh? Kalalam dolim. Kalalam, oh, let's go. One more. Let's go. Hey. Chris Vannex. Little boy on Foo Foo. Hey. Arre.
Let's go.
Talking about me, little boy on Foo Foo. Breeze to the beat on shit. And it's mad like bro, I'm into. Fans to the beat, yo, bro, in Ringo. Just let outfit fail. Now we wouldn't run that ball. D-Ryan on the block. Talking about me, little boy on Foo Foo. Breeze to the beat on shit. And it's mad like bro, I'm into. Crying, know who you. Fans to the beat, yo, bro, in Ringo. Just let outfit fail. Now we wouldn't run that ball. D-Ryan on the block. I'm back when I hear ya on this shit from down below like 40 feet. Said I can't, so I take this risk. I'll put you down, my head is lit. Cause you don't deserve no diss. So go on and check that hit. This jersey true, this jersey hit. I'm hitting myself like the one from Chris. Vannex, you're gonna move this bad. Why? You're making it look so bad. What do you mean by that? Them dream rapper who really can't rap. Them trap rapper who really don't trap. Them cap who really don't cap. Some of the haters who really don't hate. Let's go. They wanna them play. Shit the drum and do like blow. My must bang my drum, my blow. On this got my back to flow. And for me, so let's go. Shit the drum and do like blow. My must bang my drum, my blow. On this got my back to flow. And for me, so let's go. Talking about me, little boy on Foo Foo. Chris to the beat on shit. Haters mad like bro, I'm into. Crying, bro. Fans to the beat, yo, bro. Just let outfit fail. Now we wouldn't want to let go. D-Ryan on the block. Talking about me, little boy on Foo Foo. Chris to the beat on shit.
Haters mad like bro, I'm into. Crying, bro.
Let's go.
To the beat, yo, bro, in Ringo.
Just let outfit fail.
Now we wouldn't want to let go.
D-Ryan on the block. Need a drill, you get drill.
Now bro, this me and my drill.
Let them know this shit getting real.
It's time to reveal.
Need a drill, you get drill.
Now bro, this burn my drill.
Let them know this shit getting real. Talking about me, little boy on Foo Foo. Piece of the beat on shit. Haters mad like bro. Crying, bro. Fans to the beat, yo, bro. We just let outfit fail. Now we wouldn't want to let go. So D-Ryan on the block. Shit done jump and do like blow. My must bang my drum, my blow. Harvey's got my back to flow. And for me, so boy, let's go. Shit done jump and do like blow. My must bang my drum, my blow.
Harvey's got my back to flow. And for me, so boy, let's go.
Alright, so that's one. Thank you so much.